We're introducing the all-new 2024 Brinkley Model Z 3100 mid-sized luxury fifth wheel. Whether you're a weekend camper or a full-time RVer, the Model Z will be sure to have you dreaming of your next camping trip. We've got over 130 cubic feet of exterior storage and residential frameless windows that provide a clean look and beautiful views. The living area includes theater seating with heat and wireless charging, a fireplace with 5,000 BTU electric heat, and entertainment center with a 50-inch smart TV on a televator. The 84-inch pantry with adjustable shelves, dual pull-out trash bins, dog bowls, and residential kitchen appliances assure you have everything you need while cooking on the road. We have a fiberglass one-piece shower that measures 30 by 42 inches with a residential shower head and quad sprays. Complete with a memory foam king mattress, walk-in closet with modern mirror sliding doors, and stackable washer-dryer prep, the front bedroom offers all of the comforts of home.